So in this video, we are going to be discussing about colligative property and relationship between molecular weight of solute. So how that depends upon colligative property on molecular weight of solute. When they have suppose same concentration, same I value also, then how to calculate those cases. So we'll see these things, how that depends upon. We make an observe that one, all colligative properties are inversely proportional to molecular weight. All colligative properties are inversely proportional to molecular weight. Is it clear? If higher the molecular weight of the solute, lower the colligative property. So you make an observe that one, first one, relative lowering vapor pressure, delta P by P naught equal to WB by MB into WA by WA. This is the formula for dilution solution I took, and ideal case I am taking here. So MB is the molecular weight of solute. And here also delta TB equal to KB into M. In place of molality, I wrote this formula, sir. In case of molality, I wrote all these formulas. Clear? You make and check it. All the formulas, molecular weight of the solute inversely proportional to colligative property. Clear? So now you make and check it. If any questions they are given based on molecular weight of solute and colligative property, you make and find out. And I value also we know that one, observed colligative property by calculated colligative property, nothing but delta TB. Suppose in terms of I am taking boiling point, delta TB by delta TB. This is first case observed value and this is calculated. So we know that one simple formula, delta TB equal to I into KB into M. We make and write I value from this formula, I equal to delta TB by KB into M. So which is delta TB here, upper one? This is observed colligative property. And which is KB into M is, that is calculated colligative property. Understood? So we are using all formulas with respect to Van't factor. This is the only formula you are using. But in problems, they make an ask like that. By giving observed value, then calculated value, how to calculate by using formula, then you need to substitute, then you can get Van't factor. So what is the use of all these colligative properties? Why we need to study all these colligative properties? Why? Only most of the uses is to calculate unknown solute molecular weights by using colligative property. So you can calculate biomolecules molecular weights as well as polymers molecular weights. All the compounds of which is unknown compounds with bulk molecules also calculate by using colligative property. But best one is always osmotic pressure, best one. So we can measure even small changes also. Even maybe because we are measuring pressure in terms of mm of Hg. So even 1 mm of Hg also we can measure. So 2 mm of Hg also we can measure like that. But this is, you can't measure easily remaining cases. That's why best method is we are going to be use osmotic pressure. They make an ask question, which of the following method is good for to calculate DNA molecular weight or protein molecular weight, like that questions. So you can choose osmotic pressure is the best method always. Okay, so these are the relationship between molecular weight of solute as well as colligative properties. And maybe this formula we seen Van't factor in terms of colligative properties means which is observed by calculated. So we can express very simple way, that is by writing simple formula which is we know that formula. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share it.